Greetings, Vista Grande Community Church. In a case if you don't recognize us, we are Ubivox family from Moldova. Vladimir,
Julia,
and Anna.
we are excited to share a bit about ourselves and our ministry in Moldova in this second Sunday of Advent. Beginning of Life, the ministry which we run in Moldova, is in charge and fighting with anti-trafficking phenomena in Eastern Europe. We run a rehabilitation center for the victims of human trafficking and also work with the youth in public schools, teaching, educating and training them for real life in Eastern Europe. And thank you for your support. We are excited to share with you a little bit about Christmas traditions in Moldova. Evangelical churches are very active doing and celebrating and sharing with Christmas news with other people in our society. Youth groups from our churches, they go from house to house, from home to home, from door to door, celebrating people with Christmas and singing songs, Christmas songs, special songs which are written special in our languages, in Moldavian language or in Russian language, and people are excited, giving them candies, cookies and some sweets. This is one of our very important and very famous traditions in Moldova. So, and Advent simply means coming. As the Advent season for the 4 Sundays before Christmas are a time of anticipation and preparation for the celebration, the birth of Christ. This morning, reading from Malachi and Luke, talk about how John the Baptist came before Jesus to prepare the way, the people, to receive the coming Messiah. And Julia will read from the prophet of Malachi chapter 3, verses from 1 through 4 in Russian language.
вот я посылаю ангела
See, I will send my messenger who will prepare the way before me. Then suddenly the Lord you are seeking will come to his temple. The messenger of the covenant whom you desire will come, says the Lord Almighty. But who can endure the day of his coming? Who can stand when he appears? For he will be like a refiner's fire or a launderer's soap. He will sit as a refiner and purifier of silver. He will purify the Levites and refine them like gold and silver. Then the Lord will have men who will bring offerings in righteousness, and the offerings of Judah and Jerusalem will be acceptable to the Lord, as in days gone by, as in former years. And Luke chapter 1, verses 76 through 79.
А ты, дитя, будешь
And
зваться
you, my
пророком
child, will be called a prophet of the Most High. For you will go on before the Lord to prepare the way for him, to give his people the knowledge of salvation through the forgiveness of their sins, because of the tender mercy of our God, by which the rising sun will come to us from heaven, to shine on those living in darkness and in the shadow of death, to guide our feet into the path of peace. Vista Grande! Merry Christmas from Moldova, from Beginning of Life and from Ubivox family. Hi! Merry Christmas!